Chapter 6 Alarm and Events. In industrial field, in order to ensure the safe operation of the system, the generation of alarm and events and its record is essential. KINSCAD 3.1 provides a powerful alarm and event system. It merely includes tag alarm events, action events, user login events, and workstation events. Through these event informations, users can easily understand the running status of the system. The displayed alarm information can be classified into different alarm groups and displayed in the specific alarm window. Section 1 Alarm log and output. Create an alarm group. The process of creating a new alarm group is as follows. Step 1. Select Build Text Alarm Groups in term in the tree structured directory of KINSCAD and right-click on Alarm Groups. Select New Alarm Group. In the context menu, a dialog box will be pop up. Step 2. Input the name of alarm groups in the dialog box. The length of the name should be less than 126 characters. Name Temperature Alarm. Step 3. Click the OK button and the new alarm group will be displayed in the tree structured directory of KINSCAD. We create another alarm group, label alarm, using the same steps. Define the alarm properties of a tag. The alarm property of a tag should be defined before the alarm function is enabled. Open the tag properties of the tag temperature in the tag dictionary of KMake and configure the alarm conditions. Click OK to finish the configuration process. Use the same method to define the alarm conditions of level. We define the tag levels alarm in the data model. Then we define the linked alarm in data model. Click the activator data model instance to pop up, and then click linked level to pop up the tag property dialog box. Select the alarm group in alarm type as linked alarm. Define the alarm group of material in data model extension as linked alarm with the same method. Now, tag group configuration is finished. Alarm can be distinguished with priority. When several alarms occur at the same time, the high level priority alarm will prompt first. In while, when tag value is less than the long alarm limit and higher than the high alarm limit, KINSCAD will prompt alarm information to inform related operators. Alarm configuration. Select System Setup. Alarm and event setting in the tree structured directory of KINSCAD 3.1. A dialog box will be popped up. In the above dialog box, not only can you configure the storage printing method sending, but can also configure this setting for operation events, login events, and workstation events. The configuration method is consistent with these events. The above setting means that when the alarm is stored and configured by the user, the system automatically saves this information into the default alarm database. The system creates the default database by itself. Users do not need to create it. The following default databases are saved in the project directory. Alarm output. Alarm information generated while the Kinscad project is running is displayed in the alarm window. The following functions can be realized by the alarm window provided in Kinscada. Display the current alarm condition of the tag, and only the latest alarm records of the tags are displayed. Display all the historical alarm records which is recorded in the current buffer, and the following three kinds of records are displayed: alarm records, resume records, and confirm records. You can inquire the alarm records which is recorded in the alarm database according to the condition. Alarm window configuration. Step 1. Set up an alarm window. Open a picture in the graphic editor of Kinscada. Select Object, Extend Alarm Window in the menu bar of the graphic editor, or click the button on the toolbox. Click the left mouse button and then drag the mouse to the target point in the picture. An alarm window is created in the specified area. Step 2. Properties of the alarm window. Select the alarm window and then click the type of properties, which is located at the rightmost of the graphic editor. The properties of the alarm window will be displayed in the property type. Particular properties of the alarm window are introduced below. Name. Set the name of the alarm window. The default name is alarm window. Filter. Select the items and then click the button displayed in the edit box. A dialog box of filter setting will be popped up. Step 3. Properties of a title area. Select the alarm window in the picture and click the right mouse button on the alarm window. Click Edit in the context menu that is popped up. Click the left mouse button on the title of the alarm window, and then select the type of properties at the right of the graphic editor. The properties of the title are shown in the picture below. In while mode, when the tag reaches the long limit, the alarm pops up in the alarm window. Step 4. Use the same method to create a historical alarm event window on the screen. Using the same method, create a Step 5. Using the same method, create a query alarm window on the screen. Step 6. Select the alarm window in the picture and click the right mouse button on the alarm window. Select Edit in the context menu that is popped up. Click the right mouse button on the tree structured area of the alarm window, and then select New Condition in the context menu. A dialog box will be popped up. Query conditions are applied to alarms in the query window, and you can set various kinds of query conditions in the development environment. For example, query by the time, the alarm type, the event type, and so on. Circle query is also supported by Kinscada, and the settings are as follows. Set the name of the query condition, for example, alarm query condition 1. Category circle query. Input circle query conditions in the dialog box. Click the OK button. The query condition is shown in the tree structured area at the left side of the alarm window. Alarm screen pops up automatically. We can use the system tag new alarm to automatically pop up the alarm window whenever alarm is generated. To do so, use the following steps. Step 1. Kinscada make scripts, custom script, condition event script, new. An event script dialog box will appear. Step 2. Make the scripts and click OK. Click OK to finish configuration. In while mode, the alarm window will automatically pop up whenever an alarm occurs. Section 2. Event log and output. Events do not need users to respond, and the events in Kinscada are divided into the following types according to the operation object and the operation form. Operate event. The event generated by when the value of the tag or other fields of the tag is modified. Enter event. The event generated by when users log on to the system or log off the system. Station event. The operating system of Kinscada on the local operator or on the website is started up or exit. Operate event. Operate event refers to the event generated when the value of the tag type has the definition of record event or other fields of the tag is modified, or the user configuration is modified dynamically in the operating area environment of Kinscada. For example, the value of some important parameters, the value of the alarm event limit, the priority of the tag, and so on. Operate events can be recorded for users to find out the current value and the value after the modification. The property of record event should be defined first, and then the operate event can be generated. The definition process is as follows. Step 1. Double-click a tag in the tag dictionary of Kinscada, and then you can set the property of the tag for the tag in the dialog box that is pop up. Select the checkbox of record event in the general type. Step 2. In the operating environment of Kinscada, if the value of the tag or the fields of the tag is modified, an operate event is generated by the system, and the event is displayed in the event window.